Are you tired of just scrolling through your newsfeed without making any money from it? Well, today we're going to change that. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 Facebook monetization strategies you need to know to start earning some serious cash from your account. From affiliate marketing to sponsored posts, we're covering it all. So let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have affiliate marketing. This is a great way to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. All you need to do is share a link to the product on your Facebook page, and if someone buys it, you get a cut of the profit. At number 4, we have sponsored posts. These are basically ads that you can create to promote your own products or services. You can target specific audiences, set a budget, and track your results. It's a great way to reach new customers and drive sales. Number 3 is all about Facebook groups. These are communities of people with shared interests, and they can be a goldmine for monetization. You can create a group related to your niche, build a loyal following, and then promote products or services to them. Just make sure to follow Facebook's group rules. Coming in at number 2, we have Facebook Live. This is a great way to connect with your audience in real time, build trust, and promote products or services. You can also use Facebook Live to sell exclusive content, offer coaching or consulting services, or even host webinars. And finally, at number 1, we have Facebook ads. These are a powerful way to reach new customers, drive traffic to your website, and increase sales. You can target specific audiences, set a budget, and track your results. It's a great way to scale your business and reach new heights. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 Facebook monetization strategies you need to know. Remember, making money on Facebook takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can succeed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos such as this one.